Alright, y'all. So just wanted to do a quick video here. Was doing a turbo swap on my Dodge. We're working with a 2011 Dodge Ram Mega Cab 6.7 diesel. And we ran into an issue where we were trying to get the oil tube out. So we did the fleece turbo, and I also added the upgraded oil drain line. And we had a little bit of issue getting it out. Couldn't find very many videos on this. So we kind of came up with something, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. Okay, so it's going to be kind of hard to see here, but I've tried to zoom the picture in a little bit and whatnot, and it's just kind of hard to see. But if you see the vice grips there, you see the oil tube that we're working with. And it's basically just pressed into the block there, and it just returns the oil back into the pan for those that do not know. And getting that thing out is a little bit of a bear. I tried getting in there and pulling it out by hand, no bueno there, obviously. But it was spinning freely and turning freely. Like I said, couldn't find very much info on how to do this, so we came up with our own idea. Okay, and so just before we get into actually the removal, this was what we basically did. We used a pair of vice grips. We took a slide hammer and we took the nut and welded it to the vice grips. Now, I know that's kind of committing a tool, but when you need to do a job, you need to do a job. And, well, it'll be there the next time we need to do a job similar to that. So, yeah, this is basically what we did. We had a couple issues with it. I mean, the vice grips obviously crushing the tube, so after a couple smacks, it would pop off, and just kind of had to do it. I'm going to show you all the video footage that I have. Basically, there's 4 attempts here. The first 3 obviously are fails. There is language at the end, so for those sensitive or little ears, so just a warning for you there. But we eventually do get it out on the 4th try. So let's get to those videos, and we'll check it out.
Boom. You recorded that, right?
All right, guys. Well, as you've seen there, we had the first 3 failed attempts, and just had to readjust. It was crushing the vice grips was crushing that tube there, so we just had to keep readjusting it, and it was just a little time consuming. But it got it off, and that's what we needed. And I don't have any pictures of the new oil tube that I put on, but basically it replaces that metal one with a more of a rubber or silicone style, and it has aluminum fittings. So, and it came with new hardware and whatnot. It was part of the fleece upgrade. I believe ran me about 95 bucks. So I think it would be as well worth it in the long run. So I just don't have any pictures of that. I should have got more footage and whatnot of the whole turbo change. That might have been interesting to put up as well. But I figured this here was kind of important because we couldn't find no videos on it. So I hope this helped you all out and whatnot. So y'all have a great day. See ya.